Hi, hello. I'm Sudha. Nuclear disaster is our major issue in our society. So, I will explain the nuclear disaster management. We must know about nuclear disaster and what is nuclear disaster, how to prevent that, etc. First of all, problem description. Yet technical measures need to be adopted to reduce the risk of nuclear accidents or minimize the amount of radioactive release to the environment. Reduce the risk of nuclear accident and minimize the amount of radioactive released is our problem description. The quotes, the nuclear accident anywhere is a nuclear accident everywhere, said by Najmuddin, professor of nuclear science. Yes, it's true. Next, I will go to the sample data and images. In Japan, 2011, Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster has happened. That outcomes was INES level 7. INES is nothing but International Nuclear Radiological Event Scale. And next, in Soviet Russia, 1986, at Ukrainian Serbonel nuclear power plant has explosion happened. Serbonel nuclear power plant, that outcomes is Serbonel disaster effects. And at Pennsylvania, 1979, 3 Mile Island accident has happened. That outcomes INES level 5. And next, the first picture is Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant, and the second one is Serbonel nuclear power plant, and third is 3 Mile Island accident in Dauphin country. Objectives for technology development: developing plans with capacities tailored to user needs. In the event of nuclear disaster, maybe the type of plan, this type of plan will be stable and didn't affect by the radiations. When constructing a nuclear power plant, quality and safety is very important. Design and construction of nuclear power plant to achieve shortened schedules without compromising quality and safety. Next, research reactors is one of these objectives. It continuously strives to develop innovative applications of their existing facilities and systems. We protect the research reactors with highly safe and security. And next, I will go to the existing approach. Preparation of the final decommissioning plan begins prior to shutdown and will continue during the transition period. The regularity guidelines of AERB ensure the application of necessary safety standards. AERB is nothing but Atomic Energy Regulatory Board. Detection and response to unauthorized access, illegal transfer, and then improve the safety and performance of reactors. Final decommissioning plan and detection and response, and safe and security performance of reactors. These are our existing approach. Then I will go to the lateral approach. Set alarm to find the fault that inform the respective departments, and designers install neutron absorbing control rods that can be inserted between fuel rods to halt the chain reaction. Uh, Preparedness to deal nuclear disaster situation to make instant smart shelters through technical ways. Smart shelters mean that highly prevent the radiations. The next step is methodology to solve that problem. Stabilize the electricity supply system. Nuclear disaster may be happen due to leakage electricity, human fault, etc. And then we move to the installed filter vent system. Prevent sabotage at nuclear facilities. Ratify a treaty to prohibit military attacks. This is the cycle for disaster management. First of all, prevention and preparedness. Third one, response. Fourth one, recovery. Uh, Next, we will go to the communication. Uh, in the event of nuclear disaster, phone should not be used unless the absolutely necessary. The lines may be collapsed. Then people how to communicate other. Registries are being set up at evacuation centers. Uh, Possible news release, but that not increase the risk to people. Prepared for response if needed. Aware and monitoring the situation in federal agencies. And next, the teamwork. Teamwork which improves relations among them. A disaster healthcare team may be defined as an intimate group of interpersonally associated providers that works towards the common goal of seeing that disaster victims receive quality disaster care. If the disaster time period, everyone should be bond with each other. And next, we will go to the ethics. The role of ethics in our society is very important. Ethics as a part of educational program which available to healthcare providers may assist disaster responders to make the difficult ethical decisions involved in disasters. And next, self-learning. Uh, to know cause of nuclear disaster, uh, we will get the learn other important skills such as time management, how to tackle that time task, etc. The molten uranium would react with groundwater, producing a larger explosion of radioactive steam and debris that would affect nearby towns and population centers. Uh, Everyone must know that self planning. Thank you.